Good morning and welcome to the Friday 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting us off with our current radar here, looking clear across the region, expecting that to continue to be the case for the remainder of the day and in the overnight hours. However, as we look towards the weekend and into the next 7 days ahead, we do expect to see a low or disturbance from the south quickly moving from the Gulf Coast towards the Carolinas. That is going to increase our rain chances across the southeastern portion of the state or region, for better yet. And most models do suggest that much of the moisture will be primarily in the area of southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina. Could see a half an inch or more in those areas. However, up by us, we do anticipate likely seeing some light rain pass through, but only seeing a tenth of an inch or so, maybe a little bit more in isolated spots. And then as we move to Sunday, we'll see that system pulling away off the coast. We'll see clear skies and cool temperatures with highs in the low 60s and breezy northwesterly winds. By Monday, those winds will shift to the southwest and therefore warm up our temperatures into the low 70s as high pressure begins moving offshore, again creating southwesterly flow. And on Tuesday will be a bit warmer, similar to Monday. Will also be dry, which should last through the daylight hours of Wednesday. And by Wednesday night, we'll see the chance of another front moving in. That will bring our next rain chances for the week ahead, and those rain chances do look to stick around through Thursday, with high pressure looking to build back in once that system and that front passes through on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Overall, pretty dry week ahead, aside from Saturday and that Wednesday-Thursday passage. For the 24-hour forecast, or the day ahead, seeing plenty of sunshine today, mostly clear skies, clouds slowly building in throughout the afternoon and into the evening, especially early morning hours of tomorrow. We'll see some broken decks forming. Temperatures for today climbing into the low to mid 60s, and our winds generally remaining light and variable, as we will have a couple shifts as we move through the day and into tomorrow morning. Otherwise, greens across the board for a nice yet cool day in store for this afternoon. The short-term forecast remaining unchanged from this morning, seeing on Saturday cloudy conditions with a good chance of rain by around midday and a slight chance of low-level cloud cover to accompany, seeing a high around 60, maybe just shy of 60, and then Saturday night mostly clear once that system pulls away. See a low in the mid 40s with greens across the board, and then Sunday partly cloudy and slightly breezy with a high around 60 degrees. Slight chance of seeing a wind advisory on Sunday. And for the 7-day forecast to round out this working week and a glimpse into next week, seeing again plenty of sunshine today. Saturday, good chance of rain showers with cooler temperatures that will persist into Sunday. Sunday, however, will be much more clear as far as it comes to cloud cover, and we'll see that trend continuing for Monday and Tuesday with increasing temperatures as we move through the early portion of next week. And on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, another front does look to come through and subsequently drop those temperatures back down and ultimately bring us the next chance of rain for the week ahead. Now that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and we will be back on Monday, 8:15, with the daily weather operations brief.